sections of Indian society joined the revolt. एक मिनट, आप नहीं पढ़ोगे बेटा, अब और बच्चों को। गगन आप पढ़ो बेटा, पढ़ो गगन, जल्दी जल्दी पढ़ो। नया चैप्टर शुरू करेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में, जल्दी पढ़ो।
All the sections of Indian society. All the sections of Indian society joined the revolt. All the sections of society took part in the revolt. Besides and the Nawabs, the Muslims, the Hindus, the rich and the poor helped the rebels. The prominent leaders of the revolt were Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah, Zenat Mahal, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Nawab Nana Sahib, Tantia Tope, and Kunwar Singh.
Important सारे
powerful
बता दिए एक बार। हाँ जी।
Talukdars like Raja Man Singh and Raja Hanumant Singh, and the eminent Muslim leaders like Maulvi Ahmad Shah also joined the uprising. Ashok Mehta remarks, Hindus and Muslims worked together. Their blood flowed to intermingle
Differences were
and
ठीक है,
differences
आपस की
were
लड़ाई थी, खत्म हुई
forgotten.
और वो एक साथ मिल गए। It is a national revolt. इससे पता चलता था कि वो national revolt था। Role of women. Indian women also participated in the revolt. At some places, women inspired the rebels to fight against the enemy. They also fought side by side with men in the battle. ठीक है, for example, रानी लक्ष्मी बाई। ठीक है, ये सारी चीजें इसके अंदर आपको मैंने बता दी। इनके लीडर्स बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ लीजिएगा, फेलियर के रीजन ढंग से पढ़ लीजिएगा। ठीक है, और सारी चीजें जो है इसको आप पढ़ सकते हो। नेचर ऑफ रिवॉल्ट मैं इसमें समझा देती हूँ। द रिवॉल्ट met its tragic bitter end. It has been given a various names like Great Rebellion, Indian Mutiny, Sepoy Mutiny। गगन वेट करो, म्यूट करो खुद को, म्यूटिनी, India's first war of independence, national revolt and so on. These are the different names. ये important चीज है आदेश, ठीक है, ध्यान से सुन लीजिए। British historians have dismissed the uprising of 1857 as nothing more than Sepoy Mutiny. Britishers ने बोला it is only a Sepoy Mutiny, but it was actually different names given by the different leaders. ठीक है, Indian historians term it as the first war of independence. They justify this by argument it was a fight against injustice. The objective was to throw the British out of India and terminate the colonial rule. The rebels wanted a countryside rule under the Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar. The revolt of 1857 is an important milestone in our freedom struggle. It gave hope and inspiration to the freedom स्ट्रगल। समझ आई मेरी बात? ये सारी इंपॉर्टेंट। और कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स क्या है इसके अंदर, जैसे 1850 a new land made conversion to the Christianity easier. The Nawab of Karnataka and Punjab lost their royal titles. ये रीजन थे। ठीक है, revolt of 1857 began as a sepoy mutiny but gradually took all section of people. In 1857 Awadh was annexed by the doctrine of lapse, pretext to misgovernance. ठीक है, revolt met with some early successes but was eventually suppressed by the British within a year. Many causes culminatively resulted in this revolt. There are political, economic और ये सारी चीजें हम लोग।
पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए और लेटेस्ट